Hi, today I'll be doing a detailed review of Airtable, one of the fastest growing productivity platforms on the planet. But what exactly is Airtable? Who is it for? Is it actually worth paying for? Or is it just a really fancy spreadsheet? In this video, I'll break everything down. What you need to know from its core functionality and key features to the real pricing, strengths and weaknesses, and finally how it stacks up against the competition. Let's get started. Airtable describes itself as a next-generation platform for teams, and it's a tool that blends the familiarity of a spreadsheet with the power of a database, also with the power of a workflow automation and custom apps, all without code. At its heart, Airtable looks like a spreadsheet, so if you've ever used Excel or Google Sheets, you'll feel at home right away. But once you start using it, it becomes clear that it's far more than that. You can link data across tables, you can build relational databases, you can create automated workflows, generate forms, build dashboards, and even use AI-driven tools. What makes Airtable especially powerful is its flexibility. You can use it for project management, CRM systems, content planning, inventory management, HR tracking, basically anything where structured data and team collaboration matters. Templates are available for dozens of use cases, so you can pick up a ready-made system and customize it rather than building everything from scratch. And Airtable is much more than a spreadsheet. It's a platform where you can build lightweight apps, dashboards, workflows, and even connect with external systems, all with minimal technical skills required. Now, what are the main features of Airtable? As earlier mentioned, flexible views. Airtable lets you view your data in a tons of ways. Spreadsheet-like grid view, calendar view, Kanban boards, gallery for portfolios, and as a timeline and Gantt charts for scheduling. These views help teams visualize data in the way that best fits their workflow. Next, we have the relational databases. Unlike traditional spreadsheets, Airtable lets you link records across tables, meaning that you can build relational databases without SQL knowledge. This turns Airtable into a true database system. Next, we have automations. Yes, you can automate repetitive tasks like sending notifications, updating records, or triggering workflows. And once you set up automation rules, you can scale your processes without manual effort. Let us talk about interfaces next. Airtable has an interface designer. Yes, a low-code environment where you can build dashboards and command centers to visualize key metrics or give non-technical users simplified views of your data. The extensions and integrations. Airtable supports a huge library of extensions and integrates with tools like Slack, Google Drive, Claude, Salesforce, and more, so you can connect your data across your entire stack. And AI integration. Yes, one of the newer additions is AI-powered actions like generating insights, categorizing data, asking research questions, or building automated workflows driven by AI. These use AI credits tied to your plan. AI collaboration and governance. Airtable works across teams. You can assign granular permissions from read-only to full editor access and manage who can see or change what. So in short, Airtable replaces spreadsheets and small database apps, letting you centralize everything in one place. Now, what is the pricing of Airtable like? They have a free plan with limited credits per month. There's a Teams plan, which is the most popular at $20 per seat per month when billed annually, but $24 when billed monthly. There's a business plan at $45 per seat per month when billed annually, and an enterprise scale where you can contact the sales team for a custom-made pricing. What are the pros and cons of using Airtable? We start with the pros. It's extremely flexible. Yes, it's usable for tons of different workflows. It combines spreadsheet ease with database power. Integrations and automations are very strong. The interface designer lets you build dashboards, and AI features are useful for insight and automation. And what about the cons? Pricing can get expensive, especially per user, and some users find the billing opaque or confusing. And for small teams, you might pay a lot for features that you don't use. And the learning curve for advanced features can be steep. So, is Airtable worth the price? Well, here's the honest take. Airtable is worth it if you take advantage of its power. Yes, the relational databases, the integrations, the automations, and interfaces, and you use it to replace multiple tools. But if you just need a simple table or light task tracker, you might not get your money's worth. And that's it on the review of Airtable. If you're looking to try other alternatives, you may explore Notion, Coda, and ClickUp. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.